Hi guys, I will explain on this website Bluehost. Bluehost website is best website for WordPress users and any users. You can purchase this on this website domain and hosting. Very cheap price on this website hosting and domain. To hosting and domain to hosting. Three types of on this website hosting: shared hosting, dedicated hosting, VPS hosting. Then click now hosting and purchase now on this website hosting. Click now this get started. Then very cheap price hosting. You can purchase this shared hosting $3.95 per month. And VPS hosting is best hosting for WordPress website, fasting and many site control on this VPS hosting. Most popular hosting is dedicated hosting. Then dedicated hosting purchase for high traffic sites. You can use many sites. You can purchase the $79.99 per month. Okay, so Bluehost is the most popular network for hosting, website hosting, and domain. You can purchase this domain and click now this domain option and open this new window. Then type your my double domain. Then I will type this domain name earning. Earning. Then click now and purchase this domain on this website. Scroll down and is I fear AK earning and wait now some time in this server problems internet problem on this my network. To then this is call options. You can call and explain your problem and then solve this on this website frequently your question and answer. Then chat feature on this website. You can click now chat and you can directly chat on this website team and solve your problem in some time. You can purchase uh, euro, CAD, GBP, AUD and INR accepted this website. And then click now this WordPress hosting. You can purchase now WordPress hosting and in this very cheap plans on this website you can purchase now you on website hosting and domain. Very cheap price and affordable your money and price. Then basic plan dollar 3.95 and plus plan for unlimited website you can purchase dollar 5.95 per month and you can purchase SSD and many many domain hosting. So you can purchase choice plus. I recommended you can purchase dollar 5.95 per month plan. You are starting this on this website to uh, affordable your on your dollar 5.95 per month plan. Then you can create and very beautiful website custom theme in free and WordPress free. You can purchase now. uh, Thank you for watching my video.